Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to play YouTube in background on your iPhone 17 Pro or Pro Max. So look here, now I'm playing my YouTube on my background and I'm usually use another apps. Some provide full guide. So simply open your settings, scroll down, press on general option, scroll down, press on picture in picture mode. Make sure to turn on this. Go back and open your YouTube and you just play any video, like I'm play this video, and when I'm use this but not working this feature. So this feature only work on your YouTube Premiere version, so don't upset and provide solution. Open your App Store, go to search option, search set to this, and you just open this browser. Make sure to install this. I'm already installed this browser. Press on to open. Okay, then you get this interface. Press on YouTube and open any video, like I'm open this video, and just swipe. So look here, now successfully set up picture in picture mode, and I'm use another any apps. So that's it.